Hi you guys, welcome back to the Sister Garcia Sister channel. My name is Aloise Garcia and today I'm going to be showing you about my son. So let me just turn it down that way. Let's see if you can see it. I'm going to scoot back. It is super non-stretchy. So before I was going to start this, I got this baby lotion. I'm going to flatten it. And add just a little bit in at a time. Well, at school today, on Friday, it's Friday today, I added foam soap. Getting stretchier, but still needs a little bit more. So I'm just gonna add a few drops at a time. That fell right into it. That looks cool. Oh, if Chanel, you're watching this, I'm glad that you're watching this. Sticky though. Too much. Maybe. I have to put my sleeves back. There. Ooh, that's kind of stretchy and sticky. It still stretches really hard. And it gets your hands really glittery. Can you see it? Here. Oh. Let's see if you could see it. Oh yeah, you could see the ones right there. See, look at all that glitter. I got my hair stuck in there. Whoa, it's becoming sticky. Sticky. I need to put these back. Knock down. How come I'm just knocking down everything? It's become stretchy. Yay. Well, this is so much fun playing with slime, everybody, if you do slime videos. I might be doing just one of them. I'm going to try making a bubble with this for Chanel. Or Chanel. She's my best friend at school. I sit by her. And Maya and Ashley. Daniel. Well, Danny, if you're watching this, you better not laugh at me, or I'll get mad at you on Monday. Even though today's the week, Friday, I'll still go up to you and get mad. Or maybe tell the teacher, but he always calls me a snitch. Nah, never mind. It's becoming non-stretchy, but there's still more in here, but just like playing with time. They keep on asking me for slime, even Chanel. See, now it's becoming stretchy. So I'm gonna try making a bubble now. The first time I did it, it didn't work. And it smells like mangoes because the foam soap that I put in here from school, well, my teacher, Miss Gerard, had foam soap, and I used it for my slime. Well, yeah, I sneaked it in there. Oh, then I made it through. Now just try one more time. No! Well, that made a small bubble. Do you see it right there? Well, and then already popped. Literally popped. This is like the coolest slime ever. What my sister ever gave to me. Look. You're gonna hear the popping sounds. So I might get closer. Did you hear it? Oh shoot. It's becoming sticky. Huh. Yep, it's becoming sticky now. I shouldn't have added too much soap. I mean, not soap. Curse you. Like even one poke gets sticky. One long poke. Look, one quick poke. Non-sticky. But one poke, like a medium poke, look, it's sticky. Did you guys hear that? What my grandma said? I was about to see what my mom said, but it was actually my grandma. So today, I had a really fun day with you guys. Well, talking to you guys. Oh, my poster's up there. JoJo. Yeah. Now everybody knows what my room looks like. Daniel. Daniel Sensei. I'll say Okay, bye you guys. See you guys on my next video, which is gonna be coming next week or next year. Well, I'll do one next week, and then next year, I'll be showing you guys our new house, how it looks. Our new house. It's gonna be huge, huge, huge. Our new house is gonna be huge. So bye, guys. I hope you guys like this slime, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Have fun with your family. Bye.